Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about Rohan 2 and it's going to be released on September 30th, 2025 guys. This is a play to earn game. But before that guys, please subscribe to my channel and always do your own research because this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment only. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, here at the website, you can just pre-register your email. It is available on the Play Store and App Store guys. After you pre-register your email, you will have a 3 lottery ticket that you can join. So distribution receive 3 tickets immediately after completing pre-registration. So how to use distributed tickets freely across the 3 draws. So winner announcement, winning number will be determined using the Wednesday draw result of the US Powerball. So only the 5 white ball number will be used guys. So first place 5 white balls and second place 4 white balls, third and place is 3 white balls guys. If there's no winner, the prize amount carries over to the next round automatically. So pre-register now and get a free USDT on this game guys. So Rohanomics, so this is their current token and how you can earn on this game. It will be explained here. So Ruby is the official in-game currency of Rohan 2. It serves as the foundation of our entire token ecosystem. So Web 2 players just play with Ruby, no wallet needed. Web 3 user can turn Ruby into tradable asset through simple step. So you will farm and then you will get Seron. After you get Seron, you can just buy a Ruby guys and then convert it to Ruby X token and then trade the Ruby to Cross token and then cashing out by using any CAX or DEX available out there. Sustainable economy through gameplay. Tokenomics of Rohan to focus on sustaining economic circulation through gameplay. So players put significant gameplay to convert Ruby into a chain tokens, driving engagement and fueling the economy. So Ruby allocation, total amount of Ruby 1 billion, so no additional mint. Ruby is allocated 100% into the game. So no team allocation, 100% in gameplay. So there's a limit on the Ruby. If they reach the 1 billion Ruby guys, so there's no more Ruby can be farmed, then automatically the Ruby price will go up. Sustainable cycle. See, this is the sustainable cycle of the Ruby Vault guys. Okay. So there's available NFT, item and characters, CronX and multi-token structures guys. Okay. So Ruby early access if you want to join the cross return bonus right here guys. Okay. So limited Ruby supply, player driven market and controlled pre or reselling of the Ruby guys. So player driven, truly decentralized in-game economy guys. So this is the what you call in-game item benefits. If you have 200 to 300, you will have ancient costume card. 300 to 500, you will have ancient pet summon ticket. Epic, 500 to 1,000, ancient mount summon ticket guys. And 1,000 will be having legendary costume cards. Activate your desired legendary transformation costume. So purchase Ruby worth 400 ancient costume card plus ancient pet summon ticket. Purchase worth 1,000 ancient costume card plus ancient pet summon ticket, ancient mount summon ticket plus legendary costume card. The cumulative purchase amount of Ruby applies only of payments made during the pre-sale event period, round 1 to 4 total. So purchases made after launch are not included guys. Wow, so receive guaranteed summoning tickets. The more you buy, the better the bonus reward. So there's a bonus if you avail these benefits guys. Okay, so Ruby purchase history. Let's check this one. Global Rohan 2, the next market. So right now, there is no available here. Okay, so this is the Rohan 2 guys. It will be go out on September or will be released on September 30th guys. Right now, the Ruby early access is on the round 3 and it in progress. So $2 equals 100 Ruby plus 50 remaining Ruby supply. So from September 22 to September 29 guys. Okay, I think that's all about this game. If you want to join here, do your own research and please subscribe to my channel. This is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment only. We just review and you you hold your own money, guys, because crypto has a risk. So again, bye bye.